Canada inaugurates new office of PONYTV unit. Manipur logs 150 new infection of coronavirus, 3 days in past 24 hours. And Deputy CM Yumnam Joy Kumar calls for peaceful conduct of assembly. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a safe distance from others, even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear a mask in public, especially indoors, or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, welcome to PONYTV English News. This is CHRISTINA giving you the news in detail. National BJP President J.P. Nadda today inaugurated a newly constructed office of BJP Manipur Pradesh at Uttar. He also inaugurated BJP office of Bishnupur and Pugad through video conferencing. Bhupendra Jadhav, Union Minister and Manipur Election in Charge, Manipur, Sambit Patra, National BJP spokesperson, Chief Minister and BJP Manipur Pradesh President Rajesh Sabha MP Simba Sana Sauba, Union Minister of State for Regional Affairs and Education R.K. Ranjan, Manipur Education Minister S. Rajan Singh, Work Minister Thongam Biswazit, Rajesh Sabha MP MC Mary Home, and several BJP leaders attended the program. Manipur in the past 24 hours recorded 150 new infections of coronavirus and 3 deaths. The new cases were confirmed after testing 220 samples, according to an official release from Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room. It said the positivity rate was 7.4%. It added that 42 people were recuperated from the disease in the past 24 hours. Manipur's total case lot now stands at 122,003, while the death toll has climbed to 1,885. India's daily COVID-19 positive case dropped below 20,000 marks as it reported 19,740 new cases in the last 24 hours, according to the latest update by the Union Health Ministry on Saturday. On Friday, the country reported 21,257 new COVID-19 cases. The country active case lot fell to 236,643, lowest in 206 days on Saturday. It accounts for less than 1% of the total cases, currently at 0.70%, lowest since March 2020. India today has 3,39,35,309 COVID-19 confirmed cases, and the date toll reached 4,50,375, as 248 more people succumbed to the disease. The recovery rate currently is 97.98%, highest since March 2020, as 23,070 more recoveries were reported in the last 24 hours. The country's total recovery reached 3,32,48,291 so far. The weekly positivity rate 1.62% remained less than 3% for last 106 days, while the daily positivity rate 1.56% stood below 3% for the last 40 days. Meanwhile, 58,13,12,481 total tests have been conducted and 93,99,15,323 total vaccine doses have been administered across the country so far under the national-wide vaccination drive. A new office of Singzame Bloc National People's Party (NPP) was inaugurated at A Myanmar national convicted in a drug smuggling case was handed over to Myanmar authority today. Soso, aged 42 years, was sentenced to 4 years in prison in Manipur Central Jail. As he completed his jail term, he was released today and handed over to Myanmar Immigration Authority. He is a resident of Tamu Ward number 9. In February 19, 2017, he was caught by a team of Custom Preventing Force Moree for possessing 5,000 pieces of WY tablets at Moree in Tengnoupal district of Manipur. The handing over of Soso took place at the Myanmar Immigration Office located near Indo-Myanmar Friendship Iron Bridge in presence of Tamu Immigration Officer Minsui, Senior Immigration Officer of India Krishna Anand, and Manipur Police CID SB Sub-Inspector Akbar Hussain. World Mental Health Day 2021 was observed today in Jiribam District Hospital at Uchatol District Health Society. Jiribam organized the function wherein District Surveillance Officer Dr. Nonika Devi, Jiribam DNO Dr. Susil, Isolation Sister in Charge El Maheta Devi, and Hospital Sister in Charge DH Prizita Devi shared the dice at the occasion. Medical officers, Azuka Vice President M. Prem Chandra, and ASA facilitators spoke during the program. Ramikanta Wangkaimayum Information and Publicity Secretary of All Manipur Students Union AMSU passed away today at Apollo Hospital in Guwahati. AMSU flag was flown half-mast on the date of Ramakanta, union leader and member, paid homage to him at the AMSU headquarters inside DM College campus. Later, his last rites were performed at his birthplace Oripok Baspati Laikai in Imphal West. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.
Admissions open for pre-primary teachers training courses. 10 seats per batch for 6 months. 90% job facilities, also available online classes. For more details, please contact Nawa Singdamsang Office, Jangangai, Makhalekai. Contact number 8837483810.
Come back after the break. Manikanta Mutum, who is on an anti-drug solo walk from Manipur to Assam, reached Kaikol in Imphal East yesterday. We For You Foundation, Manipur and Karam Awang Laikai Young Club and Women Against Crime held a reception ceremony for Manikanta at Kaikol. During the ceremony, Manikanta voiced concern over the drugs menace and emphasis on the need to root out the trees and make a greener world. He continued his walk after planting trees at Kaikol. The solo walk by Manikanta was flagged off by Langtable MLA Karam Siam from Kangla in Imphal on September 10 last.
Khongna satpa khongsa singa siga thana thama sumna sujale rang se sena hiding ngarang ngasi tree plantation je tawda bane adu ngang tang themna mamoiduna KYC club amadi kaikon sengot sagat palot nupilo ani sina tam tam upiramba ai giwendi yamna lai ukhabani ena muk thamjaning base sena ayangna saliba khongsa mafang budingi tree plantation tawbajida khogi manipur gi amadi assam gi mioi praja khudimangna ayangna saliba khongsa sida support obiduna using asi mapung mari phanaba mayamna support obiu haina ai si thamjari.
In continuation of sustained effort of Assam Rifle to reach out and exchange humanitarian aid to local populace, Loktak Battalion under the aegis of IZAR South organized a medical and dental camp at M. Songal village in Churachandpur district yesterday. The medical and dental camp was organized to provide medical assistance to locals who have no access to basic healthcare service, as well as to raise awareness regarding personal oral hygiene, sanitation, and vaccination to fight against COVID-19. The Assam Rifle team carried out checkup of more than 90 people and administered them with basic medicines. The individual with symptoms of severe ailments were referred to District Hospital Churachandpur for detailed checkup and treatment. Saksa Battalion of Assam Rifle under the aegis of IZAR South distributed sports items during village sport meet to promote Feed India movement at Lengangching village of Ukul district on October 8. A volleyball match was organized with witness an enthusiastic participation from the youth of Lengangching village. The event culminated with distribution of sports items. Churachandpur Battalion under the aegis IZAR South organized a 150-kilometer motorcycle rally from Churachandpur town to Thanlon village in Perjual district in collaboration with District Legal Service Authority, DLSA, and Amy Riders Manipur yesterday. The motorcycle rally was flagged off from court complex at Tuibong in Churachandpur, in which 30 avid riders of ME Riders Manipur will cover the span of 150 kilometers in 2 days. The motorcycle rally has been organized to spread awareness on right to equality, free legal aid and services, and Swasth Bharat Abhiyan to the local populace of remote and interior villages of Churachandpur and Pejwal district under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, IGAR South said. Once again, let's take a short break.
Occasion singidamagta makhal kayagi cake, haibadi, photo cake, layer cake, brunch cake, Barbie cake, fruit topping cake, cupcakes in a chimba from Bigani, Amadi, Adongi apamba moongda cake customized tobagi kudong chabasu pisari. Kudong chabasing asi lawbinabagidamagta lensing biro aikhoigi address NG College Road near Naurangtong. Phone number 9864112972. Aikhoigi online partner Food Wi-Fi amasung Food Web dagisu order lawiba yagani.
After the break, a disease has claimed over 200 buffaloes in Pak district of Nagaland. As per the assessment, the total confirmed death of cattle at the time of reporting was 204. This number included 112 from Reguri village, 82 from Kangzang village, and 10 from Aken village, while several buffaloes are still reportedly missing. The total number of affected farmers stands at 106. Responding to the issue, the Joint Verification Team, led by Assistant Manager and SDMA Jonji Oduo and members Veterinary Assistant Sergeant Miluri Dr. Sipati Tuipiter, Extra Assistant Commissioner Lepori C. Salrint Sanctum, Nodal Officer DDMA PAC, David Tuipiter, Consultant and SDMA Katir Jamir undertook a 3-day on-the-spot assessment at the villages of Kangzang, Reguri, and Akint from October 7 to 9. Medical reports undertaken on this regard suggest that the cause of death is hemorrhagic septicemia, a bacterial disease that mainly affects cattle. As a preventive measure, the district administration has ordered for blanket ban on import, slaughtering, butchering, and transit of buffaloes within the subdivision indefinitely. The winner of the ICC Men's T20 World Cup will take home a winner check of USD 1.6 million, while the runner-up will get half that amount. The International Cricket Council confirmed on Sunday. All 16 competing teams will receive a part of the USD 5.6 million allocated as prize money from the tournament, which will be played in the United Arab Emirates and Oman from October 17 to November 14th. The two losing semi-finalists will receive USD 40,000 each from the game taking place on November 10th and 11th. The teams confirmed to be competing in the Super 12 stage are Afghanistan, Australia, England, India, New Zealand, Pakistan, South Africa, and the West Indies. The East team, who will lose out on a semi-final berth, will get USD 70,000 each, while team knockout in the first round will take USD 40,000 each. Team who will strive to make Super 12 as are Bangladesh, Ireland, Namibia, Netherlands, Oman, Papua, and Guinea, Scotland, and Sri Lanka. Just like in 2016, there will be a bonus amount for every match the team will win in the Super 12 stage. Ranbir Singh Lystrom, president of World Funaba Federation and India Martial Art, has paid the Excellent Award and Missile Man Lifetime Achievement Award. The award has been given to him in recognition of his contribution in the field of martial arts, fitness, and health specialization by American University, USA, and United Nations University, USA. The award was handed over to him at the international seminar Global Peace for Making India Sustainable Development and Strong, wherein he was a guest honor. The seminar was organized by the American University USA and United Nations University USA in collaboration with Akshapatra Manav Seva Foundation and the United Nations University for Global Peace USA on 4th of October and Renaissance Hotel Powai Lake in Mumbai. Ranbir Singh Lysram is from Karong Mayay Laikai under Lamsang in Infal West. He is the son of Let Lysram Tombi Singh and Let Lysram Ongbi Ibem Nungsi Devi. Once again, the top news headlines. National BJP President JP Nadda inaugurates new office of Manipur. Manipur logs 150 new infections of coronavirus, 3 deaths in the past 24 hours. And Deputy CM Yumnam Joy Kumar calls for peaceful conduct of assembly polls. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News.